Guys, MrBeast, man, he just hit 100 million subscribers a few days ago, so I decided to make him a custom play button. I did this off camera, just the base. It's gonna be like a cardboard cutout, and it has the Beast logo. And right here I'm gonna put a paper, present to the MrBeast, 100 million subscribers. Let's go into it. So I have this so far. Base, and then the thing that holds the area. Got tape on the top. I'm gonna maybe put a pencil, because cardboard has this stuff. Put it there. And yeah, I'll show you. I'll get the supplies. So this. And then MrBeast logo. Here. Let's go get the printouts. Let's go get the printouts. Let's go get the printouts and do a full transition. I got the cutouts. Printouts. Logo. Thing that says presented to MrBeast for passing. Let's turn these printouts into cutouts. 3, 2, 1. First, we're gonna put this on here with our trusty tape. Where's the line? Just found it. Open. That was cooler in my head. Ah! No, the tape's rolling away. I'll catch it later. So, I'll put this here. There we go. Well, I have to put it this way, but let's go. By the way, congrats, MrBeast. And this time I'm gonna do an actual good thumbnail, so better be prepared to see it when you click on this. Thanks for 27 subscribers, guys. We're going up really fast. I need to cut this out. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Hope that was cool. And there we go. And it looks like that. Congrats, MrBeast. And I'll do the final results for you. I'll do a whole montage and ready, 3, 2, 1. Wait.